Hello all, welcome to the first video of Roy Travelogues. Welcome to season 1, The Weekend Getaways. अभी इसे वीकेंड गेटअवेज इसीलिए रखा है मेरा नाम और सीज़न 1 इसीलिए रखा है क्योंकि ये मेरा पहला ब्लॉग है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि अभी ड्यू टू कोविड टाइम्स हम ज़्यादा लंबा जा नहीं सकते, तो जो घर से आसपास हो या जो वीकेंड पे जाके आ कर सके वही करे। तो टुडे वी ट्रैवलिंग टू पानशेत डैम। नाउ पानशेत डैम आप सभी जैसे जानते हो, पानशेत डैम ट्रेजेडी हुई थी 1961 21 जुलाई, आज से करीबन 60 साल पहले। तो हम उधर ही जा रहे हैं। नाउ इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर डैम्स दैट सप्लाइज वाटर टू पुणे सिटी। अभी करीबन हमारे घर से वो 60 किलोमीटर की दूरी पे है एंड हम यहाँ से अबाउट 7 से 8 गाड़ियाँ जा रहे हैं वहाँ पे। तो चलिए चलते हैं पानशेत डैम। इस ट्रिप पे मेरे साथ होंगे मेरी बेटराफ, जो भी थोड़ी देर में हमें ज्वाइन करेंगी, और जो गाड़ी हम लेके जा रहे हैं वो है नॉन अदर देन द महिंद्रा थार। मैं आप लोगों को दिखा दूं, यही है वो गाड़ी जो हमें आज वो डैम पे ले जाएंगी। तो चलिए चलें। Reaching Panshet at 10 AM in the morning is what the GPS says. It says it's 73 kilometers and the estimated time of arrival is 10 o'clock. So we're waiting for another friend of mine जो अभी आएंगे थोड़ी देर में, और फिर हम दोनों साथ में निकलेंगे। So guys, अभी हम रुके एक डीजल पंप पे to refuel our vehicles. So this is my Thar diesel automatic. And now I'll be swapping cars with my friend. ये जो पीछे आपको दिख रही है थार रॉकी बेज कलर पेट्रोल मैनुअल। तो देखना है कि पेट्रोल मैनुअल की फील कैसी है एज़ कम्पेयर टू माई डीजल ऑटोमेटिक। सो I'll be swapping cars with them. Guys, this is the Khadakwasla dam route that we've taken. You can see there are 3 Mahindra Thars, Gypsy in front of me, and about 2 Isuzus and a Pajero behind. I'll just show you the water. The dam is full and it's completely full. You can see the water. And it would be a bit risky to take videos while driving, so I'll get back to you later. So that is a Thar, a Gypsy, a red Thar, a grey Thar, black Thar. The second black is mine. Then we have an Isuzu. Then we have a old Thar. ब्रेकफास्ट। दिस इज़ वेयर द बोटिंग हैपन्स। यहाँ पे लोग आते हैं बोटिंग के लिए रामशेट में। दिस इज़ द व्यू। अभी फ़िलहाल बारिश की वजह से बोटिंग बंद है। दिस इज संयुक्ता एडमायरिंग नेचर। ये हमारा ग्रुप पूरा नाश्ते के लिए रुके हैं हम एक जगह पे अभी। So guys, we had stopped for breakfast here. We just had some sandwiches and now everyone is ready to leave. Right, we stopped at the waterfall right now.
यो भारी भारी
थोड़ी मागे
थ्रोटल थ्रोटल थ्रोटल
वाइड है रे
वाइड कम है
थांबू नका
आला रे ईज मध्ये सीधी अशी दिला डोंट कट द मूवमेंट
ए मी हे थांबलेली इथे. अरे
इकडे इकडे राईट राईट
कुठं जायचं ते बघा पहिला.
डायरेक्ट वर चंद्रावर. राईट 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 हा राईट 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 राईट.
So guys, this is Prithvi.
Hi.
He is the planner, organizer, and it's due to him that we've reached here. अभी
Thanks.
पजेरो एंड इसुजू दोनों नीचे रुके, वो ऊपर आ नहीं पा रहे. सो इट्स ऑल थार एंड वन जिप्सी. करायचं आहे, माझा पहिला ब्लॉग आहे हा. पृथ्वी, या जागेबद्दल सांगा ना जरा आम्हाला.
मला पण मी ऍक्च्युली ते या गोष्टी संग्रामला विचारा.
ओके, सो संग्राम इज द पर्सन हू कैन टेल अस मोर अबाउट दिस प्लेस, सो विल वेट फॉर हिम टू कम.
व्हिडिओ.
So guys, this is Panshed.
And I'm Sayukta.
This is Sayukta. This is Neil doing his photography. And I'll just show you the view now.
कैसा रहा walk?
He told us it is like only 5 minutes. 20 मिनट हो गए हम लोग चल रहे थे.
चलो संग्राम.
So guys, we've reached the hilltop and we all have settled here. You can see all of us partying. So I'll just turn the camera around and I'll explain where we are and what we are doing exactly here. Tell us something about this place.
So this place is called Khanu Chandar. This is like 65 kilometers from here. This is very remote and as you see, it's very scenic.
And Raigad कुठे येतं?
Raigad समोर येतं.
Just point a finger there.
So we have a Raigad place in front of us. Like this is a plateau, Raigad plateau. And here we have Lingan.
Okay. And here is Raigad.
Raigad, yeah.
Okay. तर तुम्ही ऐकलात, सामने जो है वो रायगड है and इकडे म्हटलं तू
This side is Lingana side.
लिंगाना प्लॅटो.
And this is called a Gokte Vasti. This is Chandar village, and there is a big valley. After the valley, we have one more like a village, a small village.
Okay, so the village that we saw down was Chandar village, and after this valley there's another valley. So now what we'll do is, हम एक काम करते हैं, जितने यहाँ पे लोग आए हैं सबसे एक एक रिव्यू लेते हैं कि उनको इस जगह कैसे लगी. Let's go. What do you have to say about this picnic? 2 words about the destination we are at.
What do you have to say?
Why did I come?
सर डेस्टिनेशन और आज का पिकनिक के बारे में कुछ बताइए, 2 वर्ड बोलिए. हाउ इज दिस प्लेस? हाउ डिड यू लाइक मोटो?
So it was my first off-roading event,
ओके.
and I just loved it. I know Sangram for some time. I didn't expect this to be so beautiful with this environment and breathtaking views here. And it was well organized. And starting from the breakfast, lunch, and then the complete off-roading experience, right? It was just awesome. And 3 cheers for
Moto 8.
Moto 8. Happy Bhurat.
Thank you. Sir, 2 words about today's picnic. How is the destination?
Absurd.
That's because you're making it down. So just to let you know, guys, 1 Isuzu and 1 Pajero is parked. Okay, 2 Isuzus and 1
Pajero, 1 Vitara.
Okay, so 4 vehicles are still down. They couldn't come up. 2 words about today's trip.
It was fun.
It was my first experience and it was deadly. I was scared every time the car was coming up.
And what about Moto 8?
Moto 8. This is our first experience coming with Moto 8, and it was fun.
Thank you. So guys, this is Neil and this is his Thar. Neil, what do you have to say about today's trip?
I had vodka. I smoked a lot of cigarettes.
And
I made my car up the trail
thank
without
you.
any fuss.
We have the videos. See about the trip today.
It was my first experience. It was really nice.
Akash bhai, bolo aap.
All good, yeah. A great experience altogether. First time for us actually. But it was all
And that's the
good.
Thar petrol manual.
Yes.
So overall experience.
It was all good. It was all
And
good.
about Moto 8?
We'd definitely do it again.
8 Moto.
Very good, very good. Good organization, good everything, good rates as well.
Thanks. So guys, now we're going to meet Prithvi, the main person behind this. Prithvi, thank you so much for the trip.
Thank you.
And what do you have to say about the members with you today?
I'm glad I've got all the Thars today.
Thank you.
You can see this beautiful waterfall here. It goes down the stream. We're doing a kind of off-roading here. So here comes Mahindra Thar.
So guys, you see the terrain here. This is how the roads are. So be sure when you come here, you come with a 4x4 vehicle and you do not come alone. You come with a team so that in case you get stuck, you have somebody to help you. guys, this is the condition of my car now. It's completely in mud.